Hello friends, welcome to my Sakshi coaching channel. Now in this video, I am going to read the chapter 13, that is amines. So let's start. The chief commercial use of amines is as intermediate in the synthesis of medicines and fibers. Amines constitute an important class of organic compounds derived by the replacing one or more hydrogen atoms of ammonia molecule by alkyl or aryl groups. In nature, they occur among the proteins, vitamins, alkaloids, and hormones. Synthetic examples include polymers, dyestuffs, and drugs. Two biologically active compounds, namely adrenaline and ephedrine, both containing secondary amino group, are used to increase the blood pressure. Novocaine, a synthetic amino compound, is used as an anesthetic in dentistry. Benadryl, as well known antihistaminic drug, also contains tertiary amino group. Quaternary ammonium salts are used as surfactants. Diazonium salts are intermediates in the preparation of a variety of aromatic compounds including dyes. In this unit, you will learn about the amines and diazonium salts. First, amines. Amines can be considered as derivatives of ammonia obtained by replacement of one or two or all the three hydrogen atoms by alkyl or aryl groups. For example, CH3NH2, C6H5NH2, CH3NHCH3 and CH3 and CH3CH3. 13.1 Structure of amines. Like ammonia, nitrogen atom of the amines is trivalent and carries an unshared pair of electrons. Nitrogen orbitals in amines are therefore sp3 hybridized and the geometry of amines is pyramidal. Each of the three sp3 hybridized orbitals of the nitrogen overlap with the orbital of hydrogen or carbon depending upon the composition of amines. The fourth orbital of the nitrogen in all the amines contains an unshared pair of electrons. Due to the presence of unshared pair of electrons, the angle C and E, where C or H is less than 109.5, for instance, it is 108 degree in case of trimethylamine as shown in the figure 13.1. Classification. Amines are classified as primary, secondary and tertiary depending upon the number of the hydrogen atoms replaced by alkyl or aryl groups in the ammonia molecule. If one hydrogen atom of the ammonia is replaced by R or Ar, we get RNH2 or ArNH2, a primary amine. If two hydrogen atoms of ammonia or one hydrogen atom of RNH2 are replaced by another alkyl aryl R- group, what would you get? You get RNH R-, secondary amine. The second alkyl or aryl group may be same or different. Replacement of another hydrogen atom by alkyl or aryl group leads to the formation of the tertiary amine. Amines are said to be simple when all the alkyl or the aryl groups are the same and mixed when they are different. Nomenclature. In common system, an aliphatic amine is named by prefixing alkyl group to amine, that is alkyl amine as one word, methylamine. In secondary and tertiary amines, when two or more groups are the same, the prefix di or tri is appended before the name of the alkyl group. In IUPAC system, amines are named as alkanamines, derived by the replacement of E of alkane by the word amine. For example, CH3NH2 is named as methanamine. In case more than one amino group is present at the different positions in the parent chain, their positions are specified by the giving numbers to the carbon atoms bearing NH2 groups and suitably prefixed such as di, tri, etc. is attached to the amine. The letter E of the suffix of the hydrocarbon part is retained. For example, NH2CH2CH2NH2 is named as ethane 1,2-diamine. In aryl amines, NH2 group is directly attached to the benzene ring. C6H5NH2 is the simplest example of the aryl amine. In common system, it is known as aniline. It is also as an accepted IUPAC name. While naming aryl amines according to the IUPAC system, suffix E of arene is replaced by the amine. Thus in IUPAC system, C6H5NH2 is named as benzene amine. Common and IUPAC names of some alkyl amines and aryl amines are given in the table 13.1. You can see this table. Preparation of amines. Amines are prepared by the following methods. First, reduction of nitro compounds. Nitro compounds are reduced to the amines by passing hydrogen gas in the presence of finely divided nickel, palladium or platinum, and also by reduction with the metals in acidic medium. Nitroalkanes can also be similarly reduced to the corresponding alkanamines. First example is nitrobenzene when treated with H2 palladium and ethanol, then it gives out aniline. Nitrobenzene again with Sn plus HCl or Fe plus HCl, it gives aniline. Reduction with iron scrap and hydrochloric acid is preferred because FeCl2 formed gets hydrolyzed to release the hydrochloric acid during the reaction. Thus only a small amount of hydrochloric acid is required to initiate the reaction. 2. Ammonolysis of alkyl halides. You have read that the carbon halogen bond in alkyl or benzyl halide can be easily cleaved by a nucleophile. Hence an alkyl or the benzyl halide on reaction with the ethanolic solution of ammonia undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction in which the halogen atom is replaced by the amino NH2 group. This process of cleavage of the CX bond by ammonia molecule is known as ammonolysis. The reaction is carried out in a sealed tube at 373 Kelvin. The primary amine thus obtained behaves as a nucleophile and can further react with the alkyl halide to form secondary and tertiary amines and finally quaternary ammonium salt. NH3 nucleophile plus Rx, it gives out substituted ammonium salt. RNH2, which is a primary amine, when react with Rex, it forms secondary amine. When it reacts with Rx, then it forms R3N and it will be tertiary, and when it is treated with Rx, then it will form quaternary ammonium salt. The free amine can be obtained from the ammonium salt by treatment with a strong base. RNH3X plus NaOH gives out RNH2 plus H2O plus NaX. Ammonolysis has the disadvantage of yielding a mixture of primary, secondary and tertiary amines and also a quaternary ammonium salt. However, primary amine is obtained as the major product by taking large excess of ammonia. The order of reactivity of the halides with the amines is Ri is greater than Rbr is greater than Rcl. 3. Reduction of nitriles. Nitriles on reduction with the lithium aluminum hydride or catalytic hydrogenation produce primary amines. This reaction is used for ascent of amine series, that is for preparation of amines containing one carbon atom more than the starting amine. RCN, in the presence of H2 nickel catalyst, sodium Hg C2H5OH gives out CH2NH2. Fourth reaction is reduction of amides. The amides on reduction with the lithium aluminum hydride yields amines. RCONH2 when treated with the lithium aluminum hydride first and then second is the water, then it will form RCH2NH2. 5. Gabriel thalamide synthesis. Gabriel synthesis is used for the preparation of primary amines. Thalamide on treatment with the ethanolic potassium hydroxide forms potassium salts of the thalamide, which on heating with the alkyl halide followed by the alkaline hydrolysis produces the corresponding primary amine. Aromatic primary amines cannot be prepared by this method because aryl halides do not undergo nucleophilic substitution with the anion formed by the thalamide. 6. Huffman bromide degradation reaction. Huffman developed a method for preparation of primary amines by treating an amide with the bromine in an aqueous or ethanolic solution of sodium hydroxide. In this degradation reaction, migration of an alkyl or the aryl group takes place from carbonyl carbon of the amide to the nitrogen atom. The amine so formed contains one carbon less than that present in the amide. RCONH2 plus Br2 plus 4 NaOH gives out RNH2 plus Na2CO3 plus 2 NaBr plus 2 H2O. 13.5 Physical properties. The lower aliphatic amines are gases with fishy odor. Primary amines with 3 or more carbon atoms are liquid and still higher ones are solid. Aniline and other aryl amines are usually colorless but get colored on storage due to the atmospheric oxidation. Lower aliphatic amines are soluble in water because they can form hydrogen bonds with the water molecules. However, solubility decreases with increase in the molar mass of the amines due to increase in the size of the hydrophobic alkyl part. Higher amines are essentially insoluble in water, considering the electronegativity of the nitrogen of the amine and oxygen of the alcohol as 3 and 3.5 respectively. You can predict the pattern of the solubility of amines and alcohols in water. Out of butane 1 ol and butane 1 amine, which will be more soluble in water and why? Amines are soluble in organic solvents like alcohol, ether and benzene. You may remember that alcohols are more polar than the amines and form stronger intermolecular hydrogen bonds than the amines. Primary and the secondary amines are engaged in intermolecular association due to hydrogen bonding between the nitrogen of one and hydrogen of the another molecule. This intermolecular association is more in primary amines than in secondary amines as there are 2 hydrogen atoms available for hydrogen bond formation in it. Tertiary amines do not have intermolecular association due to the absence of hydrogen atom available for the hydrogen bond formation. Therefore, the order of the boiling points of the isomeric amines is as follows: primary, secondary and tertiary. Decreases. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding in primary amines is shown in the figure 13.2. Boiling points of amines, alcohols and alkanes of almost the same molar mass are shown in the table 13.2. 13.6 Chemical reactions. Difference in the electronegativity between the nitrogen and the hydrogen atoms and the presence of unshared pair of electrons over the nitrogen atom makes the amines reactive. The number of the hydrogen atoms attached to the nitrogen atom also decides the course of reaction of amines. That is why primary, secondary and tertiary amines differ in many reactions. Moreover, amines behave as nucleophiles due to the presence of unshared electron pair. Some of the reactions of amines are described below. First, basic character of amines. Amines, being basic in nature react with the acids to form salts. Amine salts on treatment with the base like NaOH regenerate the parent amine. RNH3 plus X minus plus OH minus gives out RNH2 plus H2O plus X minus. Amine salts are soluble in water but insoluble in organic solvents like ether. This reaction is the basis for the separation of amines from the non-basic organic compounds insoluble in water. The reaction of amines with mineral acids to form ammonium salts shows that they are basic in nature. Amines have an unpaired share of electrons on nitrogen atom due to which they behave as Lewis base. Basic character of amines can be better understood in terms of their Kb and pKb values as explained below. pKb equals to minus log of Kb. Larger the value of the Kb or smaller the value of the pKb, stronger is the base. The pKb values of the few amines are given in the table 13.3. pKb value of ammonia is 4.75. Aliphatic amines are stronger bases than ammonia due to plus I effect of the alkyl groups leading to the high electron density on the nitrogen atom. Their pKb values lies in the range of 3 to 4.22. On the other hand, aromatic amines are weaker bases than the ammonia due to the electron withdrawing nature of the aryl group. You may find some discrepancies while trying to interpret the Kb values of amines on the basis of the plus I and minus I effect of substituents present in amines. Besides inductive effect, there are other effects like a solvation effect, steric hindrance, etc. which affect the basic strength of the amines. Just ponder over, you may get the answer in the following paragraphs. Structure basicity relationship of the amines. Basicity of amines is related to their structure. Basic character of an amine depends upon the ease of formation of the cation by accepting a proton from the acid. The more stable the cation is relative to the amine, more basic is the amine. A. Alkenamines versus ammonia. Let us consider the reaction of an alkenamine and ammonia with the proton to compare their basicity. Due to electron releasing nature of alkyl groups, it R pushes electrons towards the nitrogen and thus makes the unshared electron pair more available for sharing with proton of the acid. Moreover, the substituted ammonium ion formed from the amine gets stabilized due to the dispersal of the positive charge by the plus I effect of alkyl group. Hence, alkyl amines are stronger bases than the ammonia. Thus, the basic nature of aliphatic amines should increase with increase in the number of the alkyl groups. This trend is followed in the gaseous phase. The order of basicity of the amines in the gaseous phase follows the expected order. Tertiary amine greater than the secondary amine is greater than the primary amine, which is greater than the NH3. The trend is not regular in the aqueous state as evident by their pKb values given in the table 13.3. In the aqueous phase, the substituted ammonium cations gets stabilized not only by the electron releasing effect of the alkyl group plus I but also by the solvation with the water molecules. The greater the size of the ion, lesser will be the solvation and less stabilized is the ion. The order of stability of the ions are as follows. Primary is greater than the secondary and is greater than the tertiary. This is the decreasing order of extent of hydrogen bonding in water and order of stability of ions by solvation. Greater is the stability of the substituted ammonium cation, stronger should be the corresponding amine as a base. Thus, the order of basicity of aliphatic amines should be primary is greater than the secondary is greater than the tertiary, which is opposite to the inductive effect based order. Secondly, when the alkyl group is small like a CH3 group, there is no steric hindrance to hydrogen bonding. In case the alkyl group is bigger than the CH3 group, there will be steric hindrance to hydrogen bonding. Therefore, the change of nature of the alkyl group, example from CH3 to C2H5, results in the change in the order of the basic strength. Thus, there is a subtle interplay of the inductive effect, solvation effect and steric hindrance of the alkyl group, which decides the basic strength of the alkyl amines in the aqueous state. The order of basic strength in case of methyl substituted amines and ethyl substituted amines in an aqueous solution is as follows. C2H5 twice NH is greater than C2H5 thrice N is greater than C2H5 NH2 and is greater than NH3. This is for the ethyl, and for the methyl, CH3 twice NH is greater than the CH3 NH2 is greater than the CH3 thrice N is greater than the NH3. B. Aryl amines versus ammonia. pKb value of aniline is quite high. Why is it so? It is because in the aniline or other aryl amines, the NH2 group is attached directly to the benzene ring. It results in the unshared electron pair on nitrogen atom to be in the conjugation with the benzene ring, and thus making it less stable, less available for the protonation. If you write different resonating structures of aniline, you will find that aniline is a resonance hybrid of following 5 structures. On the other hand, anilinium ion obtained by accepting a proton can have only 2 resonating structures, kcul. We know that greater the number of the resonating structures, greater is the stability. Thus, you can infer that aniline 5 resonating structure is more stable than the anilinium ion. Hence, the proton acceptability or basic nature of aniline or other aromatic amines would be less than that of ammonia. In case of substituted aniline, it is observed that electron releasing groups like OCH3 increase the basic strength, whereas electron withdrawing groups like NO2, SO3, COOH, X decrease it. 2. Alkylation. Amines undergo alkylation on reaction with alkyl halides. 3. Acylation. Aliphatic and the aromatic primary and the secondary amines react with the acid chlorides, anhydrides and esters by nucleophilic substitution reaction. This reaction is known as acylation. You can consider this reaction as the replacement of hydrogen atom of NH3 or NH group by the acyl group. The products obtained by the acylation reaction are known as amides. The reaction is carried out in the presence of a base stronger than amine, like pyridine, which removes HCl so formed and shifts the equilibrium to the right hand side. Amines also react with the benzoyl chloride C6H5COCl. This reaction is known as benzoylation. Methane amine CH3NH2 plus C6H5COCl benzoyl chloride gives out N-methyl benzanamide plus HCl. What do you think is the product of the reaction of amines with the carboxylic acids? They form salts with amines at room temperature. 4th, carbylamine reaction. Aliphatic and aromatic primary amines on heating with the chloroform and ethanolic potassium hydroxide form isocyanides or carbylamines, which are foul smelling substances. Secondary and tertiary amines do not show this reaction. This reaction is known as carbylamine reaction or isocyanide test and is used as a test for primary amines. RNH2 plus a CHCl3 plus a 3KOH upon heating gives out RNC plus 3KCl plus 3H2O. 5th is the reaction with nitrous acid. 3 classes of amines react differently with nitrous acid, which is prepared in situ from a mineral acid and sodium nitrite. Primary aliphatic amines react with the nitrous acid to form aliphatic diazonium salts, which being unstable liberate nitrogen gas quantitatively and alcohols. Quantitative evolution of nitrogen is used in estimation of the amino acids and proteins. RNH2 plus HNO2 in the presence of NaNO2 plus HCl gives out Rn2 plus Cl minus. In the presence of the H2O, it gives ROH plus N2 plus HCl. B. Aromatic amines react with nitrous acid at low temperatures 273 to 278 Kelvin to form diazonium salts, a very important class of compounds used for synthesis of a variety of aromatic compounds discussed in the section 13.7. C6H5NH2 aniline in the presence of NaNO2 plus 2HCl 273 to 278 Kelvin, it gives out C6H5N2 plus Cl minus benzene diazonium chloride plus NaCl plus 2H2O. Secondary and tertiary amines react with the nitrous acid in a different manner. 6. Reaction with the aryl sulfonyl chloride. Benzyl sulfonyl chloride C6H5SO2Cl which is also known as Hinsberg's reagent, reacts with the primary and the secondary amines to form sulfonamides. A reaction of benzene sulfonyl chloride with the primary amine yields N-ethyl benzene sulfonyl chloride. The hydrogen attached to the nitrogen in sulfonamide is strongly acidic due to the presence of a strong electron withdrawing sulfonyl group, hence it is soluble in alkali. B. In the reaction with the secondary amine, N-diethyl benzene sulfonamide is formed. You can see this reaction. Since N-diethyl benzene sulfonamide does not contain any hydrogen atom attached to nitrogen atom, it is not acidic and hence insoluble in alkali. C. Tertiary amines do not react with the benzene sulfonyl chloride. This property of amines reacting with the benzene sulfonyl chloride in a different manner is used for the distinction of primary, secondary and the tertiary amines, and also for the separation of mixtures of amines. However, these days benzene sulfonyl chloride is replaced by the para-toluene sulfonyl chloride. 7. Electrophilic substitution. You have read earlier that aniline is a resonance hybrid of 5 structures. Where do you find the maximum electron density in these structures? Ortho and para positions to the NH2 group become centers of the high electron density. Thus NH2 group is ortho and para directing and a powerful activating group. A. Bromination. Aniline reacts with the bromine water at room temperature to give a white precipitate of 2,4,6-tribromoaniline. Aniline plus 3Br2 in the presence of Br2H2O, it gives out 2,4,6-tribromoaniline plus 3HBr. The main problem encountered during electrophilic substitution reactions of the aromatic amines is that of their very high reactivity. Substitution tends to occur at ortho and para positions. If we have to prepare mono-substituted aniline derivative, how can the activating group of NH2 group is controlled? This can be done by protecting the NH2 group by acetylation with the acetic anhydride, then carrying out the desired substitution followed by the hydrolysis of the substituted amide to the substituted amine. See this reaction. The lone pair of the electrons on nitrogen of the acetinylide interacts with the oxygen atom due to the resonance as shown below. Hence, the lone pair of the electrons on nitrogen is less available for donation to benzene ring by resonance. Therefore, activating group of NHCOCH3 group is less than that of amino group. B. Nitration. Direct nitration of aniline yields terry oxidation products in addition to the nitro derivatives. Moreover, in the strongly acidic medium, aniline is protonated to form the anilinium ion, which is meta-directing. That is why, besides the ortho and para derivatives, significant amount of meta-derivative is also formed. Aniline plus HNO3 plus H2SO4 288 Kelvin gives out ortho, para and meta nitro aniline. However, by protecting the NH2 group by acetylation reaction with acetic anhydride, the nitration reaction can be controlled and the para-nitro derivative can be obtained as major product. Aniline in the presence of pyridine and CH3CO2ISO gives out NHCOCH3 and benzene is attached to it. It is called as acetinylide. On reaction with the HNO3 plus H2SO4 and 288 Kelvin, it gives out para-nitroacetinylide. In the presence of OH minus or H plus, it gives out para-nitroaniline. C. Sulfonation. Aniline reacts with the concentrated sulfuric acid to form anilinium hydrogen sulfate, which on heating with the sulfuric acid at 453 to 473 Kelvin produces para-aminobenzene sulfonic acid, commonly known as sulfanilic acid, as a major product. Aniline, when react with H2SO4, it gives out anilinium hydrogen sulfate. In the presence of 453 to 473, it produces sulfanilic acid, and its Zwitter ion is showing. Aniline does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction, alkylation and acetylation due to the salt formation with the aluminum chloride. The Lewis acid, which is used as a catalyst, due to this nitrogen of aniline acquires positive charge and hence act as a strong deactivating group for further reaction. 2. Diazonium salts. The diazonium salts have the general formula Rn2 plus X minus, where R stands for the aryl group and X minus may be chloride, bromide or HSO4 minus, BF4 minus, etc. They are named by suffixing diazonium to the name of the parent hydrocarbon from which they are formed, followed by the name of the anion such as chloride, hydrogen sulfate, etc. The N2 plus group is called diazonium group. For example, C6H5N2 plus Cl minus is named as benzene diazonium chloride, and C6H5N2 plus HSO4 minus is known as benzene diazonium hydrogen sulfate. Primary aliphatic amines form highly unstable alkyl diazonium salts. Primary aromatic amines form arene diazonium salts, which are stable for a short time in a solution at low temperatures, 273 to 278 Kelvin. The stability of the arene diazonium ion is explained on the basis of resonance. Method of preparation of diazonium salts. Benzene diazonium chloride is prepared by the reaction of the aniline with the nitrous acid at 273 to 278 Kelvin. Nitrous acid is produced in the reaction mixture by the reaction of sodium nitrite and with hydrochloric acid. The conversion of the primary aromatic amines into diazonium salts is known as diazotization. Due to its instability, the diazonium salt is not generally stored and is used immediately after its preparation. C6H5NH2 plus NaNO2 plus 2HCl in the presence of 273 to 278 Kelvin, it gives out C6H5N2Cl plus NaCl plus 2H2O. 13.8 Physical properties. Benzene diazonium chloride is a colorless crystalline solid. It is readily soluble in water and is stable in cold but reacts with the water when warmed. It decomposes easily in the dry state. Benzene diazonium fluoroborate is water insoluble and stable at room temperature. 13.9 Chemical reactions. The reactions of diazonium salts can be broadly divided into two categories, namely reactions involving displacement of nitrogen and reactions involving retention of diazo group. A. Reactions involving displacement of nitrogen. Diazonium group, being a very good living group, is substituted by other groups such as chloride, bromide, iodide, Cn minus and OH minus, which displace nitrogen atom from the aromatic ring. The nitrogen formed escape from the reaction mixture as a gas. First is the replacement by halide or cyanide ion. The chloride, bromide and cyanide nucleophiles can easily be introduced in the benzene ring in the presence of copper 1 ion. This reaction is called Sandmeyer reaction. ArN2 plus X minus, in the presence of copper chloride and HCl, it converts into ArCl plus N2. In the presence of copper bromide HBr, it gives out ArBr plus N2, and in the presence of copper cyanide or KCN, it will be converted into ArCN plus N2. Alternatively, chlorine or bromine can also be introduced in the benzene ring by treating the diazonium salt solution with the corresponding halogen acid in the presence of copper powder. This is referred to as Gattermann reaction. ArN2 plus X minus in the presence of copper HCl, it gives ArCl plus N2 plus copper X. In the presence of copper HBr, it converts into the ArBr plus N2 plus CuX. The yield in the Sandmeyer reaction is found to be better than the Gattermann reaction. 2. Replacement by iodide ion. Iodine is not easily introduced into the benzene ring directly, but when diazonium salt solution is treated with the potassium iodide, iodobenzene is formed. ArN2 plus Cl minus plus Ki is converted into the ARI plus KCl plus N2. 3 is the replacement by fluoride ion. When arene diazonium chloride is treated with the fluoroboric acid, arene diazonium fluoroborate is precipitated, which on heating decomposes to yield aryl fluoride. ArN2 plus Cl minus plus HBF4 gives out ArN2 plus BF4 minus. Upon heating, it will converted into the ArF plus BF3 plus N2. 4th is the replacement by hydrogen. Certain mild reducing agents like hypophosphorus acid, phosphinic acid or ethanol reduce diazonium salts to the arenes and themselves get oxidized to the phosphorus acid and ethanol respectively. ArN2 plus Cl minus plus H3PO2 plus H2O gives out ARH plus N2 plus H3PO3 plus HCl. ArN2 plus Cl minus plus CH3CH2OH gives out ARH plus N2 plus CH3CHO plus HCl. 5. Replacement by hydroxyl group. If the temperature of the diazonium salt solution is allowed to rise up to 283 Kelvin, the salt gets hydrolyzed to phenol. ArN2 plus Cl minus plus H2O gives out AROH plus N2 plus HCl. 6 is the replacement by NO2 group. When diazonium fluoroborate is heated with the aqueous sodium nitrite solution in the presence of copper, the diazonium group is replaced by the NO2 group. B. Reactions involving retention of the diazo group, coupling reactions. The azo products are obtained have an extended conjugated system having both the aromatic rings joined through the N-N bond. These compounds are often colored and are used as dyes. Benzene diazonium chloride reacts with the phenol, in which the phenol molecule at its para position is coupled with the diazonium salt to form para-hydroxyazobenzene. This type of reaction is known as coupling reaction. Similarly, the reaction of the diazonium salt with aniline yields para-aminoazobenzene. This is an example of electrophilic substitution reaction. You can see these reactions. 13.10 Importance of the diazonium salts in synthesis of aromatic compounds. From the above reactions, it is clear that the diazonium salts are very good intermediates for the introduction of fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, CnOH, NO2 groups into the aromatic ring. Aryl fluorides and iodides cannot be prepared by the direct halogenation. The cyano group cannot be introduced by the nucleophilic substitution of the chlorine in chlorobenzene, but cyanobenzene can be easily obtained from the diazonium salt. Thus, the replacement of the diazo group by other groups is helpful in preparing those substituted aromatic compounds which cannot be prepared by the direct substitution in benzene or substituted benzene. Summary: amines can be considered as derivatives of ammonia obtained by replacement of the hydrogen atoms with the alkyl or aryl groups. Replacement of one hydrogen atom of the ammonia gives rise to the structure of the type RNH2 known as primary amine. Secondary amines are characterized by the structure R2NH or RNHR dash, and tertiary amines by R3N, RNR dash R double dash or R2NR dash. Secondary and the tertiary amines are known as simple amines if the alkyl or the aryl groups are the same, and fixed amines if the groups are different. Like ammonia, all the three types of the amines have one unshared electron pair on nitrogen atom, due to which they behave as Lewis base. Amines are usually formed from the nitro compounds, halides, amides, imides, etc. They exhibit hydrogen bonding, which influence their physical properties in the alkyl amines. A combination of the electron releasing, steric and hydrogen bonding factors influence the stability of the substituted ammonium cations in protic polar solvents and thus affect the basic nature of amines. Alkyl amines are found to be stronger bases than the ammonia. In aromatic amines, electron releasing and withdrawing groups respectively increase and decrease their basic character. Aniline is a weaker base than the ammonia. Reactions of the amines are governed by the availability of the unshared pair of electrons on nitrogen. Influence of the number of the hydrogen atoms at a nitrogen atom on the type of the reactions and the nature of products is responsible for the identification and distinction between the primary, secondary and tertiary amines. Paratoluene sulfonyl chloride is used for the identification of primary, secondary and tertiary amines. Presence of amino group in the aromatic ring enhances the activity of the aromatic amines. Reactivity of the aromatic amines can be controlled by the acylation process, that is by treating with the acetyl chloride or acetic anhydride. Tertiary amines like trimethylamine are used as insect attractants. Aryl diazonium salts, usually obtained from the aryl amines, undergo replacement of the diazonium group with a variety of nucleophiles to provide advantageous methods for producing aryl halides, cyanides, phenols and arenes by reductive removal of the diazo group. Coupling reaction of the aryl diazonium salts with the phenols or aryl amines give rise to the formation of azo dyes. Chapter completed. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more videos. Thank you.